Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own live lottery investment system using Lotto Lab PHP script. So let me give you the demo of the website that we are going to create. So this is the website that we are going to create. You can see its logo, Lotto Lab. You can change it through admin panel, and this is the home page of this website. You can see by clicking get started you can directly register it and continue investing in lotteries. So you can also make different referrals, so you can see total users, total winners, and total visitors. So this is a lottery calendar. You can see all those things, and by clicking view all you can view all the things. So it's easy to join and get reward. So this is the process of creation of account. You can see first of all you have to create account, then choose lottery, then pick lottery, then win lottery. So these are some real statistics, and some buy ticket option. These are the why you trust our services, frequently asked question section, recent winners names, and here is a testimonial section. Here are latest blogs. You can also add blogs to your website. Here are the we accept payment gateways that are in this website. So these are the join mail to get latest account, subscribe newsletter. So this is the footer section. So this is the home page of the website. Now there are some other pages, like when you click on about, it will redirect you to the about page. So when we click on about, so this is our about page. You can see all the things. So this is a lottery page. When you click on it, it will redirect you to all lotteries that are in it. So it is a blog page, and here is a contact page. So this is the some general overview of the website. Now let me give you the demo of admin panel. So we will just open the admin panel. So this is the admin panel of this Lotto Lab website. You can see total users, active users. You can you can authorize different emails through admin panel. So here are mobile unverified users. This is a total investment deposit. Here are pending deposits, and all the things you can see directly on your admin panel dashboard. And these are some graphs of monthly withdrawals, reports, transactions, etc. So from here you can manage the different referrals. So you can see, and here you can manage lotteries, and here's the option of manage users. You can manage different active, banned, email unverified, mobile unverified users, and many other things. So this is the payment gateway option. You can select many automatic payment gateway. These are all the automatic payment gateways of the website, and you can also add the manual gateways to website. So this is the deposit option. You can see pending deposits, approved deposits, successful deposit, rejected, initiated, and all deposits. So this is the withdrawal option. You can see all withdrawals, and here the general settings of website. You can change, basically from general setting you can change the name, currency, symbol, and time zone of your website, and you can also change the color. So in system configuration you can change different settings, enable, disable different notification settings and other settings. So from here you can enable, disable email verifications. So I will just click on it and enable it, and mobile verifications as you like. So here is the option of logo and favicon. So this option is for changing logo. You can add your own logo instead of Lotto Lab. So you can add your own logo on the website homepage or admin panel. So that's there are some other settings as well. So here's the option of languages. You can change languages. SEO manager of the website, you can manage SEO from here, and notification settings, you can manage different notifications by using this option. So here's the manage template option. So basically there is only one template of this website, so you can use it. So there are option of manage pages. You can add, delete, or edit different pages that are on home page of your website. So here is the manage section. You can manage different sections of your website such as about, banner, blog. You can make changes and delete them. So website is all under your hand. You can basically change complete structure of website through admin panel. The complete control of website is in your hand. So to create this website, you must need a Lotto Lab PHP script. So this is the Code Canyon PHP script. You can see Lotto Lab live lottery platform. This is a Code Canyon script and its price is $79, and it is only for 1 year, and after 1 year you have to extend it with $27. So you can buy it from Code Canyon or you can contact me. I will provide you the script, but the advantage of this buying from me is that you will get the script for lifetime. You don't need to extend it after every 1 year, and I will provide you on a low price. So you can explore some other options of this website. Now let's start building this website. So I am going to host this PHP script on a local host, and you can also host it on your hosting server. The installation process of the script will remain the same. So first of all, you have to turn on your Apache and MySQL. So in my case, they're already on. So go to the folder where your script is located. So my script is located here. So I will just find my script. So it is my script here. I will copy my script and go to the folder where your XAMPP is installed. My XAMPP is installed in C. So go to htdocs folder and paste your script. But first off, before pasting it, you have to create new folder. Create a folder. So I will give the name Lotto Lab, and I will paste the script inside this folder. So my script is pasted successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to right click on it and click on extract here. You can see our script has been extracted successfully. Now delete this file and go back and copy the name of this folder. So I will just rename it and copy it, and now go to your Google Chrome and type localhost and remove this phpMyAdmin and paste that name right here in between those two forward slashes. So you can see this window appears. Now you have to click on files. So I will just click on it. So now you can see our installer Wizard Lab installer window has appeared successfully. Now scroll down below and click on I agree next step. So here you have to satisfy all these requirements, and after that click on next step. So now we have to give the database details. Now create the database. So let's create the database. Go to localhost phpMyAdmin database, and database name is Lotto Lab. So I will just create it. Go to privileges and add the user for that database. So here username is also Lotto Lab. So I will host is localhost. Type your password and retype it, and after that scroll down below, click on check all and click on go. So database user has been added successfully. Go back to easy by installer by Wizard Lab and enter database credentials. So database name is Lotto Lab, database host is localhost, database user is also Lotto Lab. So here is database password Lotto Lab, and here you have to enter the admin credentials. I will select admin, password is also admin, and email address is admin@admin.com. Click on install now, and it will install your script. So you can see your script has been installed successfully and a valid license. Now click on go to my website. First of all, you have to delete your install folder from htdocs, and after that you have to continue to website by clicking this option. So it will redirect us to our website homepage. So you can see our website has been created successfully, and this is all that I demonstrated you previously. You can see all those things. So thanks for watching, and if you need this PHP script, you can contact me on WhatsApp on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much.